Yeah, slippers.
Saya's over there. Kale.
He's gone, bro. He's gone. I didn't even see him.
Kale. Drop, let me go with you. This way, look where he's going. She's over there. Go knock on her door over there.
Where?
The next door. Right there. Knock.
Hi guys, I'm Joab. And this is King Deli. Her name is Miriam. That's Miriam. And this is Josiah. Okay, and we're in the whole chat, just so you know. And I just wanted to shout out to you guys, and I love you. Bye.
We're finally dressed and we got here and you have to get on a bus. The bus basically takes you to the stadium. Jonathan, say hello to the vlog people. Say hi.
Wouldn't be me. Going in late. That was supposed to be at 10.
We're on time though.
I'm tired. I don't want to hear as many people talk.
There he comes. Smile a little. This one too. Smile. I know. Can you smile? Congratulations. You did that. How does it feel, master? Hey, so currently on the island, we came to see family. I just dropped my sister off at work. She had to work today. I haven't seen her in like forever, so I figured I'll just drop her off at work, and I got a little drinky drink at her spot. So now the boys are getting their hair cut, and I have to go to the beauty supply store to get some hair products before we head back home. So I'm by myself right now, obviously. So I'm just walking to the car to sorry, I'm a little parched. It's very beautiful out. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna meet up with the boys at the barbershop and go to the beauty supply store, which is right next door to where they're at, and get what I need to get, and then hopefully we can head back home, because it's been a long weekend, a little tired. I don't know if I mentioned in the previous clip, I'm sorry, I didn't really capture what happened after he walked out of the graduation, because it was just, we were all just soaking in the moment and enjoying each other's company, family, friends, and all of that. And on top of that, not everyone wants to be on camera, so just respecting privacy, everyone's privacy and things like that. So I didn't vlog that part of it, but y'all know I don't mind being on camera, so I'll just do my thing and expose my family. As bad as that sounds, but yeah, so going to meet them now at the barbershop, and I will pop back in here. Okay, bye.